कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. I don't know about other days, but today we are gonna go and book the mad Seltos. Oh yes, so finally I've decided to buy the Kia Seltos. Yes, I made up my mind after test driving almost like 4 cars, if I'm not wrong. And recently, after you people have suggested me to drive the Harrier as well, I've done that. I like the design, like I told you in a previous video. I really like the front end design, but rear and sideways, I'm not really a fan of that design. So yes, let's go finally and book the Kia Seltos. See you at the Kia showroom. Okay, on my way, and I had to stop here near Shilparamam because this guy has been following me from
AOC Center.
AOC Center. What is the distance, AOC Center to here?
I think about 18 kilometers.
18 kilometers, 20, almost 20 kilometers. Dude, that's too much, yaar.
Yes, thank you so much.
That's,
it's a
what's your
pleasure
name?
to meet you. My name is Anand.
Anand. Where do you stay?
I stay in a clock tower.
Clock
I
Tower.
was going for a ride and I saw you. I'm like, a Sriman's car is over the garden.
Achha, you're going in the right.
Yeah, I was going towards Malkajgiri.
Achha, okay. Nice meeting you guys.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
It's an honor to meet you. I mean,
Same here, yaar. Like, this much of love, it's too much.
no.
20 kilometers, that's too much.
Thank
Take care. Aram. Bye. That's like crazy. I don't do this. I really understand the kind of love I get. That's insane. Trust me, I must have done something really amazing, something really great. I don't know what, but you people shower me so much of unconditional love. That's like crazy. Not even my relatives shower so much of love on me. This is, I don't have words here. Seriously, honestly, from the heart, I feel blessed. Thank you so much. So let's see you at the Kia showroom. Finally done with the booking, guys. I just finished booking the Kia Seltos 1.4 petrol DCT turbo GTX Plus and we're gonna have the car soon. I think it's gonna take at least 7 to 8 days minimum, and I have to start the loan process and all that. Hopefully by Diwali we should have the car. Right now the traffic is so jam-packed. This side it's fine, but that side I have to take a U-turn, come back. Look at the traffic here. It's insane. Can't help it. Let's go. Nice show. Yes, I'm sleeping in my room because Pooja put the AC like in full high and I'm feeling a little bit sardi. So I'm feeling much better here in my room. Time is 7. Oi, don't switch it on. Nowadays she knows how to switch on the AC. Time is around 7:30 am. As usual, she came and she jumped on me. And today, you took my AirPods. Chalo, today we are going out. Me, Naisha and Pooja. Rest of the details once I get up, freshen up, we'll talk. Already, and you know, one of the main reasons I slept here, let me show you. Fan speed is always on 5. If you check the speedometer, it will be around 250 kilometers an hour, and I don't like wind on my face. कैसे हो? Hope everyone is doing great. 2 patients here. Once they get into the car, both of them are like silent because of that motion sickness. Don't worry, now we're getting a new car. Hopefully that car should be fine. Now if you say that car is also not fine, we can't help. That is a compact SUV. This is a sedan. So sedan mein usually that problem is there. Hopefully compact SUV mein that problem shouldn't be there. And yeah, we're blowing the AC like at full speed once again. I told you, right? My wife likes it. Likes me, loves it. She's silent, she'll not respond now. car problem. And Naisha to she's like when you try to get her inside the car, she'll be like, Pooja, come on, recharge. You can't be like this silent.
No, she's sleeping.
Oh, okay, she's sleeping. I'll see you directly at the hotel. Actually, we had this. I mean, I had some points on my credit card, so we are using those points and we're going for the small vacation, micro vacation, nano vacation. Actually, just a local hotel. We'll just spend one night and come back.
Local hotel sounds wrong.
Local hotel as in Hyderabad mein hotel.
Local hotel sounds like something else.
Local hotel sounds like...
It sounds like Hotel Descent in Jab We Met.
Hotel Descent in Jab We Met.
Not decent. Descent.
Descent, not decent.
Oh, my favorite movie.
Oh,
Love
one
it.
of my
One
favorite
my
movies
favorite.
as well. Chalo, see you at the hotel. You like the hotel?
She just awestruck.
You like it? Thank God she didn't puke at all till now.
Because she slept. Which
Kunwar,
as they call me now.
okay, I can take in the vlog.
You can definitely, not a problem.
That's Kunwar from ITC. Thank you for helping me out, buddy.
So
He
I-
follows me from a long time, it seems.
Yes,
And,
I do.
You're from?
I'm from Delhi, sir.
Delhi, okay. Hi, Naitu.
She's ready.
New place.
Yeah.
New place. Come on, explore.
Not. It's nice.
Okay, I think she's gonna create a nice mess out of the room.
Nice.
Wow, nice room, yaar. Looks nice. Don't look at the outside view. It's okay. Oh, actually, there's a nice lawn here. Oh, this is nice. How do you like the room?
It's nice.
It's nice, no? It's big. Pretty huge.
Nice to come.
Okay, first let's quickly go and have some lunch. We have a lunch, dinner and breakfast package. This is what happens when you have a credit card and when you pay on time, you get all these nice points which you can use. Full utilization. Let's do full utilization. रिमोट मिल गया इसको. One throw, खत्म. Oh, nice washroom. Crazy huge washroom. Thank God there is no... This time there's no window, see-through window.
And Rating Raja is back.
We have a nice bathtub. Okay, this is the very important thing. Dressing room. Hi. Nice couch. It's a couch only, no?
You do.
When my wife is here, I have to be careful with words. Is it a couch or a sofa? See, that's what I told. It's a sofa, not a couch.
That's a couch.
It's a couch?
This.
Oh, this one is... हमारे हैदराबाद में इसको we call दीवान.
Divan इसको नहीं बोलते.
हाँ,
Divan
फिर?
is different.
अरे this is दीवान only, right?
I'll show you reception.
This is दीवान.
हाँ, but not exactly.
English में क्या बोलते हैं? जीवान. जीवान.
Sure.
How is the bed? Let's rate the bed. That is the most important thing. अभी तो ठीक है. We're in Hyderabad only, but if we go for a huge ride and come back, this is very important for us. Nice. 8.5 out of 10 for the bed. I hope she sits. Let's just have our dinner. Why am I saying dinner from that time? This is our first time experience with Naisha outside. She's being a proper typical kid, shouting, crying. She wants everything here. This is something special. I've never seen any soup like this in a kettle. Yeah, okay. That looks fabulous.
I'll give you weight.
Pooja orders all fancy food. That's lasagna. Lasagna.
Wanted you're telling me.
Italian lasagna. And I've ordered my typical. Zishan, don't worry. What is this? Roast chicken with some veggies. These are my sorted veggies.
Sure.
Okay, we just finished having lunch. Pooja loved lunch.
Yeah, it was
Like she
very
went
nice.
mad.
It was.
Especially the lasagna.
Yeah. I don't compliment Italian, not everyone can make it. So this was really good.
9.5 out of 10 for
No,
Italian.
10.
She gives 10 out of 10. Okay. Anyways, now the good part is we're gonna get an upgrade.
और क्या?
How great is it?
श्रीमान को डर को क्या सोच रहे हैं?
नहीं शाहरुख खान नहीं है रहे. We gonna get an upgrade. I don't know where, but they said the top floor with a better view. I don't know what is wrong with this view. Let's go and check it out. So in case you're from Hyderabad or from anywhere else, in case you're traveling to Hyderabad, come to ITC Kohinoor. Have Italian here. It's out of the world. Especially lasagna. The best lasagna we have ever had in our lives.
Then why did you give 9.5?
That is like highest. मैं Triumph को भी 9.5 ही देता.
ये बाइक नहीं है, ये खाना है.
Time is at 4 o'clock already. Oh shit. And after an hour or so, I'll go to the
See,
gym.
she's
Gym
saying
is a
go to
must.
Ninnu.
If there's a
Chuppo,
good gym
chuppo.
here, then I'll give it 10 out of 10.
Naishu, Ninnu karogi? Look at her. Ninnu karogi?
Nowadays, for everything you ask, she'll say, see, for
Chuppo,
example,
bottle put out. She
Naishu,
put pani down.
Arey, don't put water. Naishu, you want milk? You want milk?
Ninnu.
You want to sleep?
Ninnu.
Nino?
Everything is cute. Dudu, Ninnu.
Don't play with water. No playing with water. Chee. Okay, this is our upgrade. Finally, this is a proper upgrade. I'll tell you why. Room is almost the same with a red finish. Can I call this reddish?
Crimson.
Crimson. Okay, girls' terms. Crimson red. Main thing is the view. This is next level view. Firstly, we get a balcony. That room didn't have this. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, that is the Durgam Cheru Lake and this is the new suspension bridge. Evening mein, imagine the view here. Especially with Durgam Cheru lit up. Just wait for it, okay? I'll show it to you in the evening. For now, we'll just take some rest.
She's telling you uska
You want the song? Which song do you want? Nowadays she's listening to Drake. Yo, Drake. That's not a phone, Dadu. It's not a phone.
Two hours later.
Okay, I did not take any power nap and all that. Just 10 or 15 minutes I relaxed. Now I'm going to the gym. You have to check out this view. This is our balcony. That's the beautiful road. Actually, I saw a Ferrari going through this road. This is Durgam Cheru, this is the bridge, and there you can see the beautiful moon. Proper full moon. Pooja is busy talking to her parents. Actually, my wife is asking me not to go to the gym. Today we are on a vacation it seems, but doesn't matter wherever I go. I have to maintain my diet. Tiffin box ho gaya. I'll be going to the gym now.
See, Papa, see the view. We got a balcony.
Naichu, you want to come to the gym?
And this is our room.
You want to come to the gym? One, 2, 3. Okay. Bye bye. 1, 2.